there's a spark. Yeah, well, you took me out to dine. Maybe I had too much wine, but I never felt so desired. Boys who squire just keep me tired. I saw you looking at my shoulders bare, and I didn't care. You had no hair. I could be your Joan of Arc. It's enough for me if there's a spark. Ooh, a spark. But then the days go by. Start to wonder why I'm the one making the calls, asking you to stay, maybe come away with me. Yeah, open a door to a world that is wide. Close it before I step in. Turns out it was just a lark, and I'm nothing to you but a spark. Glasses do wonders to a spark, to a spark.
I was not your family, I was a stranger to you once, but you treated me like we had the same blood. I drove up to a cabin, to Wisconsin in the woods. We shot fireworks and drank till we felt good, and the sky was clear in that summer air. You showed me so much kindness, I do not understand who puts that kind of soul inside a man. And you always say the same thing, we believe in you. It was a little thing for us that we just wanted to do. Ooh, 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 ooh. The night I met your family, the night I met your friends, there were plates of buttered